I mean, it's probably the most breathtaking room out of all of them. You walk in and then you also have the balcony and this incredible view of London. And I just thought, this room needs something special. And I traveled to Japan for the first time this year. Don't know how it was my first time, but anyways. And I stayed in a lot of ryokans, these sort of traditional Japanese homes, hotels, these buildings that you can sleep in. And a lot, in fact, I think all of them had tatami mat floors and shoji screens. And I just thought, could I maybe do this at home? Very presumptuous, obviously, but I have started to do a lot of like meditation over the past couple of years, and I love a good sound bath, and I just thought, wouldn't it be quite cool to have a room that I could really just delve into wellness in? And so yeah, we've found a really great tatami mat floor supplier, and I just got Andrew from, I think his company is called like Wabi Sabi, to come by and measure for the shoji screens. And so this room is going to feel like hopefully a breath of fresh air and at the same time a deep breath. And so because of the incredible expansive, you know, sort of windows, it means that the light that will come through the shoji screen is going to be quite special. I think that's the room that I'm most excited about, just because it will feel quite different to how it currently is. And just generally the light that comes in is a lot. So I think the way that the screens will diffuse the light and against the tatami mats will feel like you're in a completely different place. I love plants. Can't usually keep them alive, though I did keep my olive tree in the store alive. That's still going and that's strong, and I'm really proud of that. Not that I had too much to do with it being alive, but anyway, I really wanted to have some nature in the space. So I've gone with this fake tree. It's from Oka as well. It comes all flat packed, and then you just slot it back down in. And it's done in a way that means that the tree just feels really vibrant. And I think it's really cool that they ensure that no matter how your tree comes, because you slot it where the numbers are, it's gonna all be really consistent, and that is really hard to do. So that's a really good way of having an olive tree this big be that versatile. That's gonna stay alive. It is gonna stay alive. The meditation room is what I'm gonna call this area for now. Has really come together. I think from the beginning, you know, I had a really strong sense of what I wanted in the space. The tatami, the shoji screens, the linen curtain. But I wasn't planning on having this olive tree here. I think it was originally in the living space, and there was just something that, like, I put it here, I think it was maybe even a temporary decision just to move it, and then I put it in here and I was like, wait, this is quite special. It's made this room cooler than I could have ever imagined. So having pieces like this chair and even the cube that I've, you know, made, and then obviously still having my trusty Noguchis around, and then this incredible olive tree from Oka, and I've put it in this like plant pot that I found from Firm Living, and I think it makes the space perfect. Like, I really wanted to stick to earthy tones. I didn't want anything too jarring, too colorful in this room. It needed to be somewhere where you felt at peace. It's one of those areas that you're like, I can't actually believe I've managed to build something like this within my own space apartment. So yeah, it's come together pretty perfectly. I don't think I could have imagined it to be any better than it is.